Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar and today we'll be seeing how to return multiple values from a function. So in the previous lesson, we have seen how to return a single value or how to not to return a value from a function. So in this lesson, we are going to see how to return multiple values. It means two values or three or four like that. Okay. So for that, what I do, I create one function. Let's say I create here func return multiple value, correct, and here I pass two parameters. Let's say int a. No, I don't write like this. I write a comma b and then integer. Okay, and here I have to pass the return type. So both return type will be of integer. So I write int comma int and then I open the braces. Okay, here I have to return these numbers, right? These parameters I have to return it. So I write return a plus b. I won't return a plus b. I return a comma b. Correct. So this is my function. I have created this function. I have to call this function somewhere. So where do we call it? We call it inside the main function. So okay, let's call it. So I copy this and I paste over here, and I pass the required arguments, or we can say parameters. So I pass here 5 comma 6. So it is returning, but we are not storing it in somewhere. Okay, so we need to store this value in some variables, correct? So so for that, what I do, I I write here a1 comma b1 colon is equal to this function name. Okay, yeah, and now I print it. So for printing, what I write fmt dot print ln, and then I pass here a1 comma b1, correct. So here we are calling this function. So whenever we call this function, it will go here, it will check the definition, okay, and it will check the return type. So it is returning two variables. That's why we have defined here two variables and we are storing the result into two variables. Let's run it. See, here we are getting 5 and 6. Let's change the input. So let's say I write here, okay, what I do, I make it string, mm, string, and I return also string. Okay, copy it and paste it. Okay, and I write here hello as a first string, and for second string I write geeks, correct. Now run it. See, we are getting hello geeks. Cool. So this is nothing but a function which returns multiple values. So I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, do subscribe and share.